In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your Microsoft Outlook settings for a more personalized email reading experience. This step-by-step guide is designed to help you modify certain default settings to better suit your preferences, minimize distractions, and enhance productivity when managing your emails. Let's start by opening up Microsoft Outlook. You'll see your usual Outlook interface with your inbox displayed prominently. Now, to make changes to your settings, you first need to go to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll find the tab labeled File. Go ahead and click on File. Once you've done that, look for the Options section in the menu that appears. After clicking on Options, a new window will pop up displaying a variety of different settings you can adjust. Your focus should be on the Mail category, which you'll find listed on the left side of this Options window. Click on Mail to access the Mail-specific settings that will allow you to fine-tune how emails are displayed and marked. Within the Mail settings, look to the right and locate Reading pane. This is where you can customize how your emails are marked as read, among other options. By default, Outlook tends to mark emails as read as soon as you see them in the Reading pane, which might not align with everyone's preferences. To prevent Outlook from doing this automatically and to give you more control, make sure to uncheck the option labeled Mark Items as Read when viewed in the Reading pane. Unchecking this will ensure that emails are only marked as read on your own terms. Additionally, there's another option you'll want to alter: Mark Item as Read when selection changes. Uncheck this box too. By leaving this unchecked, you ensure that an email won't be marked as read just because you've moved your selection to another email. This can close the loop on accidentally missing an email that requires your attention simply because you navigated to another message. And finally, there's an option for those who want to maximize previewing capabilities within Outlook. Consider checking the box labeled Always Preview Messages. By selecting this, you allow yourself to see a snippet or a glimpse of each email, even when it hasn't been opened fully, which might save time in identifying the importance of the message. After you've made all these adjustments, go ahead and click OK to confirm and save your changes. Congratulations! You've successfully customized your email viewing preferences in Outlook for a more tailored experience. Making these tweaks helps ensure that you maintain control over your inbox, avoid marking important unread emails inadvertently, and improve your email management efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.